equations are quadratic and which are not. If the equation is not quadratic, explain. So number 1, so these are the answers. So number 1, is number 1 quadratic? No, it's not quadratic because the power of the highest power of the variable is 1. So this is a linear equation, not quadratic. So not quadratic, it is linear. It is linear equation. Number 2, x squared minus 5x plus 10 equals 0. This is quadratic because the highest power of x is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. So number 3, 12 minus 4x equals 0. This is not a quadratic. So not quadratic. Not quadratic because the highest power of x is 1. So because the highest power of variable is 1. So number 4, 2 to the t squared minus 7t is equal to 12. This is a quadratic equation because t to the second power is quadratic. So it is a quadratic. Number 5, 6 minus 2x plus 3x squared equals 0. This is also a quadratic kasi itong x squared, the highest power of x is 2. So it is a quadratic. Number 6, 25 minus r squared is equal to 4r. This is also a quadratic kasi yung highest power of r is 2. So it is a quadratic. Then number 7, 3x times x minus 2 is equal to minus 7. This is a quadratic kasi kapag i-multiply natin ang 3x, so number 7, so we have 3x, natin dito. Kapag i-multiply natin ang 3x minus x minus 2 is equal to minus 7. So kapag distribute natin ito, magiging 3x squared. So 3x minus 2. 3x squared minus 6x is equal to minus 7. So you see, 3x squared. So highest power of x is 2. So number 7, it is also a quadratic. So number 8, 1/2 n minus 6 is equal to 0. This is not a quadratic kasi the highest power of n is 1. So not quadratic. What happened, baby? You hear your ears? Okay, you have to be careful kasi And then x plus 2 to the second power is equal to 0. This is a quadratic kasi kapag i-ano natin ito, i-multiply. Wait, one more problem. So magiging x squared plus 2x, plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So ang highest power ng x is 2. So it is also a quadratic. Well, last one na anak ko. So quadratic. So number 10. Is number 10 quadratic? Yes, it is a quadratic kasi kapag i-multiply natin ito, wait anak ko, so w times w is w squared. So kapag i-multiply natin yan, so highest power of w is 2. So it is a quadratic. It is a quadratic equation. So ang hindi lang quadratic ay number 1, number 3, number 8, and number 8. So tatlo lang yung hindi quadratic equation. Kasi mga linear equation sila. Hindi sila quadratic equation kundi linear. Linear ang tawag nila kasi yung highest power ng variable nila is 1. Highest power of variable is 1. So that's why they are called linear.